Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Did you know your liver is a powerhouse, performing over 500 vital functions every single day? From filtering toxins to aiding digestion, it's one of the hardest working organs in your body. But with our modern lifestyles, it can easily get overwhelmed. The good news is, you can give it a natural boost just by eating the right foods. Today, we'll be diving into the top 5 foods you absolutely must eat to revive your liver and keep it in top shape. Let's get started. First up on our list is a kitchen staple, garlic. Don't underestimate this small but mighty bowl. Garlic is packed with compounds like allicin and selenium, which are fantastic for your liver. They help activate liver enzymes that flush out toxins from your body. Think of it as giving your liver's natural cleanup crew a supercharged boost. Plus, garlic has been shown to protect the liver from damage. You can easily add it to your stir fries, soups, or even roast it for a milder flavor. Next, let's talk about citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits, they're not just refreshing, they're liver lifesavers. These fruits are bursting with vitamin C and antioxidants. Vitamin C helps your body produce more glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that is crucial for detoxifying the liver. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water or adding a squeeze of lime to your meals is a simple and effective way to help your liver cleanse itself and fight off damaging free radicals. Coming in at number 3 are cruciferous vegetables. This family includes broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. These veggies are rich in compounds called glucosinolates, which support the liver's natural detoxification pathways. Roasting them with a little olive oil or steaming them as a side dish is a delicious way to support your liver function and reduce inflammation throughout your body. Fourth is leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and arugula are more than just salad ingredients. They are detoxification champions. Their secret weapon is chlorophyll, the pigment that gives them their vibrant green color. Chlorophyll is amazing at binding to toxins and heavy metals, helping to neutralize them and prevent them from damaging your liver. So load up your plate with a big salad, blend them into a smoothie, or saute them with some garlic for a double dose of liver love. Finally, walnuts. These brain-shaped nuts are a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids and an amino acid called arginine. Omega-3s are known to help reduce fat accumulation in the liver, which is a major factor in non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Arginine also helps the liver in detoxifying ammonia. A small handful of walnuts a day makes for a perfect snack that supports your liver health and provides a great crunch. So there you have it, 5 simple, powerful foods to help you revive your liver naturally. Remember, taking care of your liver is taking care of your overall health. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more health tips.